Divine Senwa, right at it again. Alright, this time around, I've got some good news for y'all. I've got some good news for you guys. As you can see on the screen, we're talking about Benjamin's Cartel Forum. I know a lot of people will be happy for this because, I promised something. I think I promised this to a couple of guys that I'm going to release something. There's been a lot of projects that I'm supposed to do, but all of these projects are tailored towards helping you guys. Those that are interested in my help and stuff like that. Because I know not everyone that watches my video is actually interested in. Some will be like, talking some nonsense. But it is what it is. So, I've decided instead of, because, of course, I'm supposed to be doing some events in other cities and whatnot, but everyone that's been asking me for those, unfortunately, I am not going to have any event anytime soon. Whether it's in my city or any other place, any other city, I am not going to do that. I've got other things that I'm actually focusing on right now, and that's mainly, scaling up my business. So I don't think I'll have the time to do another event and, all that stuff. Because, a lot of people think, and like, at the end of the day, all this event stuff, I wouldn't want to do a free traffic event. That's not my shit, man. I would never do that stuff. Because I feel like, the goal of this thing should be, everyone should focus on coming here, man. That's what everyone should focus on. So here, this is a short-term stuff. You got short-term and you got long-term. So if you're in CPM marketing for short-term, you can stick to this one. But if you're in CPM marketing for long-term, whereby you're talking about you want to do better for yourself, your family, and whatnot, and really make consistent income, then this is where you should play around. But if you're still playing around and, you just want to mess around, you want to get a couple of, bucks here and there, just to, buy a few toys here and there, then this is the place. You can do that on free traffic strategies. You can do that. So, personally, I don't think, most of you guys are ready for paid ads. Even if I'm to host an event, I wouldn't want to host an event whereby, when everyone that comes through, they don't even know what I'm talking about. They don't understand the languages I'm talking about. They don't even understand what Facebook pixels or how to even create a fan page. That won't be fair for my side, because personally, I wouldn't even want to host an event whereby each person pays less than $500. So if you have $500, it's better you learn paid ads on your own. You can do that. Or I've got videos. If you guys take this video seriously, man, you can really get something up and running as soon as possible. I've mentioned in the videos also what to do, what type of offers to go for, the way to build a campaign from scratch, everything. It's there if you check the videos. Then you just spend, bit by bit, $500. I think, but that if you one campaign, you should spend the time to spend $50. You should know whether the campaign is good or not, So yeah, I'm not gonna, host an event anytime soon. That's unfortunate, guys. So, but this is what I can do. Yeah, also them guys have been asking for paid ads costs and everything. But again, for me to create a paid ads course, it will take time to record the videos, get them edited, all that stuff. So I think it will take about 1 or 2 months for me, because if I'm to record something, like I would have to maybe finish the whole course in like maybe a month or less, right? But then now, because of the time on my side, I don't think I'll be consistent with that. I think I'll probably record 1 or 2 per week. So the thing is now, I don't want that situation where by the time I release the video, then the information is now obsolete, you know what I'm saying? So it won't be okay for you guys as well. Cause what I prefer myself personally is whoever takes my stuff, I want them to see results. I don't give a shit about your guys' money like that to say that, no, I want to eat, I just want to release something so that I can get money for myself. No, that's not how I operate. I want to make sure that whatever I teach gives you results straight up. That's just what I want. That's what I like. So that's why I'm not taking anyone anymore. Whether this is now we're talking about coaching. So, people were asking for event, and the answer there, unfortunately, no more events. Now for paid ads course, unfortunately, I won't be able to do that anytime soon. Now, one-on-one coaching. Now, please, guys, can you please stop inboxing me about that stuff? Because definitely I am not taking any one-on-one sessions with anyone. That's not going to happen. It's really not even about the money. It's just about the time. I don't have the time to, do one-on-one sessions with anyone. That's just it. But then here's a solution. Basically another issue has been the way people have been inboxing me, whether on WhatsApp. I go on WhatsApp, I've got, a lot of messages. I go on Facebook, a lot of messages. I go on Skype, a lot of messages. Even on my email, messages are coming in, emails and whatnot. But the thing is now, every time I try to go back and take the time to really reply to your guys' messages, the time just flies away so quick. I'm shocked that it's now 3 hours later. I'm still answering people's questions, and I've wasted my 3 hours and whatnot. It's just that I don't know. I've tried sometimes to ignore some messages, but I'm not good at that. I can't Bluetooth someone and ignore someone just as how I am. I don't know. I really can't. So I try as much as possible to reply to everyone else's messages, even the comments on YouTube. I check them out and I reply every time. So because of that and the fact that I also have like 24 hours, just like you guys. So I've got multiple businesses that I'm running right now. So the time, it really won't work, and I've got other projects that I'm supposed to focus on, so I won't be able to do that. So what I can do is, which is why the forum, at least I'll be able to answer your guys' questions, and I also have some other guys that can also answer, because this forum, we're just starting now, but the idea was to start it, to open up in January. But then, I just discovered, fine, because I'm supposed to work with some of my other guys, but at the moment they're also busy. So, in January, I'm going to add more people, and I'm going to add more content in there. For now, we're going to cover the underpaid ad strategies. We're going to cover Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. These are this is where I'm actually, running campaigns right now. I'm only doing, I'm doing these three. You can also add email marketing, but personally, I am not doing email marketing per se. I'm building a list, but I'm not the one that's actually running up the campaigns. I'm doing partnerships with other guys that are actually experts in email marketing and whatnot. I just send traffic to my funnels and collect the emails and whatnot. So this one's going to be included as well. Then other free traffic strategies, we're going to cover Facebook, we're going to cover YouTube, we're going to cover, mainly YouTube and Facebook, and also, Instagram. We're going to also cover Instagram. Then we're going to add something else, not just the normal CPA, but content locking as well. We're going to add it under CPA, under free traffic strategy as well. Then the last one, we're going to have a Q&A session. This is where, instead of sending me message on Facebook, wherever, Instagram, whatever, TikTok, whatever, this is where you're asking your questions inside the forum. Then I'll answer those questions, or if someone else in the forum knows the answer to that, they can also answer your questions, because this is going to be more like a place where other affiliates hang and stuff like that. I'll do my best to make sure that I answer all your guys' questions and stuff like that. I think it becomes easier here also for me as well, so that I don't really be wasting my time or feel as if I'm wasting my time. Because I might have maybe a couple of hours free per day, and I just get in there, check all the messages that are in there, and maybe I'll just record a video, answer all your questions. I think it's better that way than, because phone per se is supposed to be something that is communicated with other people, not, to spend 3 hours on, talking or answering few useless questions and whatnot. So this is the forum is going to be $50 a month, and trust me, you're going to get thousands worth of content in this forum. So if you, all right, 1 second. So for those that are busy inboxing me and whatnot, asking me questions every now and then, questions that you can easily Google on you can easily Google on Google or on YouTube. I'm just telling you guys that's enough, and I'm definitely done with replying to those messages. If you have any question, join the forum. Then you can post your question in there and I'll answer it, because I get I'm gonna put everything in there. I'm gonna put samples of landing pages. The offers that I'm running, how I'm running them. It'll be just like, also I'm gonna add my courses in there. Whoever joins the forum, you get access to my courses. It'll be there. It'll be free for you once you join the forum. and everything will be in there. Yeah, and you know, yeah, I mean, I just wanted this video to be short and straight to the point. Yeah, I hope. Yeah, if any questions, just answer in the forum. Sorry, you can just ask any question in the comment section. For now, regarding this forum, not CPA related questions anymore. I'm done with that. If you have a problem with it, I'm sorry, but just how it is, man. I'm also a human being. I can't be answering all your guys' questions. Because at the end of the day, everything that I'm doing is recorded in the videos. So if you feel like there's some questions that you have, just check the videos, man. I've got the videos in there. I've got a video that covers Instagram. It's there. Whether it's free traffic or no, free traffic actually is there. I've got, when it comes to paid ads, I've got a video about Facebook ads, how to set up a Facebook ad and whatnot, how to set up a TikTok ad as well. It's there on for free on my YouTube channel. Free traffic strategies, a short item. But at the end of the day, guys, this right here, remember, short term. Free traffic is short term. This is what you do if you want to buy a few toys. This is what you do. If you want something big, if you want a proper business where you're saying, I don't just want to buy these few toys. I want to maintain by level of living. I want to maintain. I want to grow. By this time next year, I should be doing this. You can't do that on free traffic, because free traffic, you might make a killing this week. Next week, it's not working out for you. Facebook changes their stuff and whatnot. But paid ads, it's different. You can scale. Once a campaign is doing well, you don't scale by adding 100 more Facebook accounts here. You just scale by just increasing a number right there. Increasing your budget right there. Of course, you can start small, and then you work less. The good thing about working less is this. Like personally, I think per day it takes me around 2 to 3 hours. Not even 2 hours actually. Less than 2 hours. Sometimes less than an hour to look at my campaigns. That's how long it takes me per day. And I'm done. I don't look at it again. I'll look at it tomorrow or whatnot. You understand? Or if I want to test something else, or want to optimize some stuff. But it takes me less than 2 hours. Whereas here, you see people working from like putting in 18 hours work. So now check the difference now. If you're going to focus on this, and you make your 100, 200, 300 bucks a day, or let's say you're making 1,000 a day here every day, working 18 hours. And here I come here, I put in my 2 hours. I'm left with 22 hours per day. Right. Now, and I'm making my 1,000. Or let's say I'm making 200 bucks. Now let's see. I've got 18 hours, which means I can also add something else. I can add something else there. Add something else. What do you think is happening, guys? Obviously, by the end of the day, this one, you never, if you're doing this, you'll never reach this level. If you're focused on, you'll never, because you'll be putting in your 18 hours, right? For instance, to make that whatever. Let's just say maybe you're making 200 bucks per day, for instance, and you're putting 18 hours. I can also do this maybe and put in it 3 hours, or if you just focus on your stuff, but I still make what. Let's say I also put in 18 hours right here too, plus the 2 hours that I'm putting in. I've got my 20 hours, which means here obviously if I'm paid ads, let's say I'm making 1,000, then I'll come to yours 1.2. I'll still making more than you. I still have what the time. You understand? So at the end of the day, free traffic, we're not saying it's bad. Nah, I'm not saying that. But to be honest, it is bad. That's one thing. It's good. You use free traffic to raise your funds so you can fund paid ads. Not to say this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. You will not reach 40 this year, man. Because now things are getting worse every day. When I started this thing, I was using 1 or 2 Facebook accounts to post like dozens of groups. And then that shit was not even taking me too long, because I would use that option, say post to all groups, and then I'm done. Maybe about 5 minutes, I'm done. Now people are putting in 18 hours, man. You're using 100, 200 Facebook accounts. What's going to happen next year? Maybe we'll be doing 500 to get less than 1,000 clicks. So it's really not worth it. I mean, honestly speaking. But anyway, for all those other stuff that you need to get a CPA marketing, so fired up right now, I want you to join the forum. The forum will be opened I'm going to open the forum on the 1st of October. That's when I'm going to open. So you can gather your money, contact me with any information regarding the forum. And then I'll let you know what's up. Alright, guys. So, guys, it's time for me to sign off. Peace out, guys. You have a good day.